Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. It is based on the GPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer architecture. Hence it is called ChatGPT. It can be fine-tuned for various natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization. The first version of GPT, or the Generative Pre-training Transformer, was released in June 2018. It was trained on a dataset of over 40 gigabytes of text data. It was able to generate human-like text and perform well on a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation and question answering. ChatGPT was introduced in 2019. It was fine-tuned on conversational data, specifically for chatbot and dialogue-based applications. It was able to generate more coherent and contextually relevant responses. It is an extension of GPT-2. ChatGPT was developed to make it more accessible to developers and researchers who want to build conversational applications. This was achieved by providing them with a pre-trained model that they can fine-tune and use to quickly develop chatbot systems, without the need to train a model from scratch. ChatGPT is being used to create chatbots that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. These chatbots can be used in customer service, e-commerce, and other industries to interact with customers and assist them with their needs. ChatGPT is being used to create virtual assistants that can be used in a variety of settings, such as homes, offices, and cars, to assist users with tasks such as scheduling, navigation, and more. ChatGPT is being used to create models that can translate text from one language to another. It's pretty astonishing to see what a single application can do. Let's have a look at a few more capabilities that are taking the information technology industry by storm. ChatGPT is used to generate new code, which assists developers in writing code more quickly and efficiently. ChatGPT suggests code snippets or complete partially written code, which can help developers avoid errors and improve their productivity. ChatGPT is used to generate comments or documentation for code, which can make it easier for developers to understand and maintain the code. ChatGPT is used to detect bugs in code, which helps developers identify and fix issues more quickly. ChatGPT is also used to port codes from one language to another. The big question is, can ChatGPT endanger human jobs? ChatGPT and similar models are not designed to replace human interactions or decision-making. They are designed to assist and augment it. They are not able to understand the emotions, intentions, and subtleties of human interactions, which are essential for many jobs, such as customer service, sales, education, and many more. But it is important to keep in mind that ChatGPT and other language models like it have the potential to automate certain tasks and make them more efficient, which could lead to job displacement in some industries. It is also important to consider that the technology also has the potential to create new opportunities and jobs. For example, the use of ChatGPT and similar models in industries such as e-commerce, customer service, and content creation could lead to the creation of new roles focused on managing and fine-tuning the models, or interpreting and acting on the insights they provide. Overall, it's likely that the impact of ChatGPT and similar models on the job market will be complex and multifaceted. It will depend on how the technology is implemented, and how society chooses to adapt and respond to it. It's important for society to have a responsible and thoughtful approach to the development and deployment of this technology. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.